Okay, so we're going to learn one of the beats that will come up in the grade 5 groove recall. So this groove is called a Bossa Nova groove. So there's 3 different elements to it. Hi-hats. So hi-hats doing quavers closed all the way through. And then the bass drum is doing like a quaver rhythm basically all the way through. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's put that together with the bass drum and hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's just loop around that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just practice that for a bit, and then the next thing we need to do is add in the snare drum rhythm. So it's stick across room with the left hand, and the rhythm on its own goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so a bit of an offbeat rhythm there. Let's just put a pulse with that, just quietly on the hi-hats. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure to move over to the floor tom at the end. Okay, so let's try that with our quavers on the hi-hats, which is actually what it will be in the groove. So hi-hats and left hand together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and to get used to that, I'm just going to loop it around a couple more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the tricky bit now is to add in our bass drum rhythm that we had before with those 2 things, hi-hats and snare. So let's just do it really slowly now with everything in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so something to note there is on the first beat of the bar you have bass, snare drum and hi-hat all together at the same time. And again. So if you can get that at the beginning, that's a good start. I'll play it a few more times and then you can be practicing it slowly until you can do it nice and fluently. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the whole groove, Bossa Nova groove. Practice that slowly first. Remember, split up the sections, do hi-hats on their own, bass on their own, snare on its own, and then just put them all together at the end, doing it slowly.